Hey everybody, my name is Renee Allen and I'm your instructor for Chem 121. Tell you the truth, I'd rather have you in my classroom looking at your beautiful faces, but things happen. The way we're going to set this up is in modules, and I'm going to talk more about those later. But what I wanted to do, so I get to know you guys. Some of you I know already. I've had you in class, I had you in high school, whatever. But I just want you to do a little short thing and tell me who you are. My name is Renee Allen. This is my fourth year at the college, full time. I taught adjunct for years. I taught at the high school in Belcourt for 31 years and then came out here. So I've been around for a while. Um, I got MAT, they call it MAT, Master's Arts Teaching Science from Minot State. So that's why I get to be your teachers, I guess. Where Chem 121 is first of the general chems. It's the ones that transfer to universities, and I promise you we're covering the same material as they would if you went to NDSU or UND. We're just doing it in smaller groups. So what I want you to do is tell me about yourselves. Me, my favorite thing in this world, I suppose, is my family. I have 3 daughters and I have 3 grandkids, and they're my life, my little grandkids. If you ever want to really get me talking, let me tell you about Kenna, Jet, and Ellie. My other favorite thing to do is fishing. I love to fish. Started doing it later in life because I had the time to do it, and I do really love to fish. So yeah, again, brownie points if you want to talk about fishing. And I love sports. Last year I was the fantasy football winner of the college. I have to brag about that because we have some guys that really think they're good at that, but I beat them. But I love sports, fishing, my family, whatever. I'm hoping that we can get through this online stuff together. Again, I'd rather see your faces, but it's life right now. We just got to be careful. We got to be safe. So anyway, after watching my little intro, you have a choice. You can just type up a little bit about yourself, or there's actually a video thing you can link. If you hit reply next to the little YouTube icon, there's a little arrow, and you can actually make a little video of yourself if you want. That's your choice. Sing us a song if you want, I guess, but whatever you want to do, put it in there. And again, it's just something I want to get started with so I know you guys. We will be meeting virtually, I think every Wednesday is the plan. So this is your chance if you have questions and stuff. But I want to see who you are. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Don't just say your name and I'm from Belcourt or Dunseith or whatever. A little bit more. It doesn't have to be a ton, but a little bit more. Okay? And again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.